Hello, everyone. Do you ever have a question for your teacher about an assignment? Well, after school, when you're at home? Well, what do? Maybe try Gmail. This video is all about how to write an email to your teacher. You want to remember a few steps. First is the to. You need to know the email of your teacher. Your teacher's email is their first letter of their first name, then their last name. For example, M. Scotchulus. The email should appear as you type. Next is the subject line. This is a 2 to 5 word summary of the email, like missing grade or homework question or even late work. The greeting is next. Always remember to greet your teacher, like good morning, Mrs. Smith, or hello, or even good afternoon. In your email, you want to always get to the point. I am writing because, or I have already tried, or I remember the first step, but I can't remember. Always keep your message brief. Next is the closing line. You can say thank you, or I hope you are well, or have a nice evening. Always remember to sign your name. Now, how do I check my email? There are several different ways. On my homepage, you may scroll down to the Check Your Mail Gmail icon. If you click this icon, it'll take you to your email. You want to always remember, if you are on a Google page, Google always has a link to Gmail at the top corner. You can hit Gmail. You can also go to your Google Waffle, which is also in your upper right-hand corner. Mail is there as well. Click on one of these options. When you click on the mail from my web page or from the Google homepage, it'll take you to your Gmail account. You will see emails here in bold. Bold emails are always unread. To click on an email, click on its message. Most of these messages might be from Google Classroom about assignments or things that you need to turn in. You can delete these messages once you read them by hitting the trash can. This will take you back to your inbox. You'll see all of the messages here. Click on them to read. If it's something important and you want to keep, go ahead and hit the back arrow. This will also take you back to your inbox. You can delete more than one message by clicking on the box. Then hit the trash can. To compose a message or send a message to your teacher, click the Compose button here on the left side of your screen. This will open up the mailbox at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. To make this a little bit larger for you to see, I'll expand it by hitting the diagonal arrow. Like I said at the beginning of the video, the first thing that you need to do is type in your teacher's email. Remember, it's their first letter of their first name, then their last name. And as you can see, it narrows down the teachers as you type. I know that this is going to Mr. Scotchulus. Next is the subject line. This is a 2 to 5 word summary of the email. I want to know about computer office hours. Now we'll go and type the body of our message. Click below. This is where you'll type the greeting. Dear Mr. Scotchulus. Always remember the comma after the person's name. Then hit enter. Remember to keep your message brief. I was wondering when you had office hours. You may hit enter a couple times now and write your closing. And again, always remember the comma after the closing. Now hit enter one more time. Always remember to sign your email. You can put your first name or your first name and last name. Always remember capital letters. You'll see below some tools. If you mess up, you can hit the undo or redo button. If you have your message highlighted, you can change your font. There's not a lot of choices here in Google Mail, but there are a few. You can make things larger or smaller. You can make your message bold, italicized, or underlined. And there's also the text color. Another thing that you might want to remember is to spell check. Spell check is not one of these tools, but all the way in the corner of your screen to the three dots. Click the More Options or the three dots. Here you'll see Check Spelling. Make sure your words are spelled correctly by always checking your spelling before you send your message. When you're done with your message, you may go down to the bottom of your screen and hit the blue button that says Send. This will send your message to the teacher. You want to always remember, just email your teachers. You should not email your friends. I hope this lesson has helped you to learn to check your email. Check your email every day for lesson assignments or messages from your teacher.